Hey friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download playlists for offline viewing on YouTube. Now, in order to download a playlist of any sort, you want to ensure that you have the YouTube Premium. And so you can easily get YouTube Premium and you can easily find this once you're inside YouTube. On the lower left hand side, you scroll down and you should find YouTube Premium on the More from YouTube. If you're not seeing it here, you can click on any video, and once you try to download it, it's going to trigger the YouTube Premium and say that you need to get YouTube Premium. And from there, you can click on it and you can easily get YouTube Premium or register or sign up for YouTube Premium. Another way you can click is your profile in the upper right, and you should see purchases and memberships and so forth, and you can easily find the YouTube Premium from here as well, right? So you can check that as well. Now, let's say you have YouTube Premium and you now want to download a playlist. You can find a channel. So I'm going to go ahead and type in, for example, my channel right here. I'm going to click on the channel itself and I'm going to go to where it shows playlist right here at the top. And so right here under playlist, you can find playlist, right? No, you can't just download the playlist itself like this, right? And click a button to download the playlist. What you have to do is literally just click on the playlist. So for example, if I wanted this, I will click the playlist to expand the amount of videos. I'm going to pause this for now. Now, what you want to do now is to go ahead and click on each video and then hit the download button. So for example, I wanted to download this video. I can find the download button at the bottom of the video, click the three dots here, hit download, move on to the next video, click the next video. I'm going to just pause them for now. And you do the same thing, hit the download right here. So just go through the list, find the videos that are inside the playlist, and just simply hit the download button. Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel, and of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now, let's continue. And once you finish, you can easily find the videos that is inside the playlist. Let me go ahead and pause this video again. You can go ahead and find the video on the left side. So on the left side, you want to look for downloads. Click it, and then you'd have those videos downloaded. As you can see, you're not able to organize them in playlists, but if you want to download videos from a playlist, just find the playlist on the channel, and then from there you can easily download it. And then you'll be able to watch those videos offline on YouTube. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.